Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ranjith Alphonse, licensed counselor psychologist. The life of a teenager seems to change daily, but now those former goals are replaced with the desire for independence. The teenagers today are highly productive. They are able to learn lots of new skills and perform very effectively. Today I am going to talk to you about 7 habits of highly effective and defective teens. Friends, let's first look into 7 habits of highly effective teens. Number 1, be proactive. Take responsibility for your life. Number 2, begin with the end in mind. Define your mission and goals in life. Number 3, put first things first. Prioritize and do the most important things first. Number 4, think win-win situations. Have an everyone can win attitude. Number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen to people sincerely. Number 6, synergize. Work together to achieve more. Number 7, sharpen the saw. Renew yourself regularly. Friends, let's now see 7 habits of highly defective teens. Number 1, they are reactive. They blame all their problems onto others. Probably parents, teachers, friends, neighbors, the government, or someone else. They begin to blame and play the game of a victim. They take no responsibility of their life. Number 2, they begin with no end in mind. They don't have a plan. They sleep around and waste all their time and energy. Number 3, they put first things last. Whatever is most important in their life, they don't do it until they have wasted their entire time. They always put off. They make sure that fun things come before the important things. Number 4, they think win-lose situations. They see life as a vicious competition. If they want to be at the top of the popularity list, they would better knock someone else off first. If it looks like they are going to lose, however, make sure they drag that sucker down with them. Number 5, they seek first to talk, then to pretend to listen. You are born with a mouth, so use it. Talk a lot. They always express their side of the story first. And they pretend to listen to others by nodding. Number 6, they don't cooperate. Let us face it, other people anyway are weird. Therefore, why to cooperate with them? You are better off by doing everything by yourself, they believe. And be your own island, that's what they're thinking. Therefore, they don't cooperate with others. Number 7, they wear themselves out. They are so busy with life that they never take time to renew or improve themselves. Yes, dear friends, having seen the 7 habits of highly effective and defective teens, our wish for you is that we increase the effective part of the teens rather than defective. I hope this video helps you to improve your positive habits. Friends, if you like my video, like, comment, subscribe and share my video with others. Thank you.